Hello, I'm Nina. I'm the owner of HePu Lighting. Welcome to visit the street lighting factory in China. We manufacture solar street light, steel poles, electrical poles, and high masts. Now let me show you how the poles are made.
This is shearing machine which cuts large steel sheets into required sizes.
This is 16-meter long bending machine that transforms steel plates into conical or octagonal shapes. It can bend steel plates up to 50 millimeter thickness.
After the pole is rolled into shape, the seam is welded to ensure structural strength and integrity.
This is laser cutting machine for flange plate, offering high cutting precision and fast speed.
Our skilled workers weld the flange precisely to the base of the pole. After welding, our quality inspectors carefully measure the pole according to technical
we will see
drawings.
the hot strip galvanizing process.
The galvanizing process starts with acid pickling. Each pole is submerged in an acid bath for a few seconds to remove rust, oil, and surface impurities. They are the key pickling parameters for quality surface preparation. Next, the poles enter the hot zinc bath. Workers carefully skim off zinc drops to ensure a clean, even coating. Poles are dipped completely, allowing molten zinc to bond tightly to the steel surface. After galvanizing, the pole is washed to remove excess zinc. Finally, they are dipped into a passivation solution, which helps prevent white rust and enhances the appearance. After galvanizing, workers grind the surface to remove sharp
We use the
edges and
automatic
excess ink.
electrostatic power screen production line.
The pole enters the powder coating booth, where electrostatic spring guns apply an even coat of polyester powder. The pole is then baked in a high-temperature oven, where the powder melts and cures into a strong UV-resistant coating. This coating enhances both the appearance and corrosion resistance of the pole.
Our workers will pack the poles. Lighting product. Welcome to visit our factory.